Good afternoon. Today I will demonstrate how to bore out the hole with a Glanze boring bar with a rotating insert. You can see it here. So this is a brass stock of 55mm diameter, which I'm boring to 34. Let me dial out a millimeter per side, which amounts to 2 millimeters in diameter. So we turn on the lathe. We will run it at about 400-500 RPMs. And now we can advance at this speed. You can advance it rather boldly, I think. Easily. So we can bore out on a reverse movement as well. I'll dial a bit less, 0.5 millimeter. And we're going out just with a steady motion. Here we go. Now you can see this resulting hole. It's a nice smooth surface for such a deep rough take on this machine. So this is just an ordinary 7x12 Chinese mini-lathe without any modifications, and this is the boring bar in question. I think it does the job.